Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you what this line of code here, if name equals to main, actually does. You must have seen this in a lot of scripts and some packages as well. So I'll go and show you what this actually does and what we achieve using this particular if statement. So to show you that, I've got a little I think I've just closed that function actually. So I've got a function here that prints the given list. So it runs through that using for loop and prints each item of the list to the screen. So currently I'm using this function to print the list of animal over here. So I'm calling that function with this list and the function does the print for me. So let's just run that quickly and see what happens. So bad operator there. So let's run that, and as you can see, it just prints cat, dog, lion, and cow in that order, and the function just runs. Now, let's say I've created another program that has list a bird, and I needed to print these list of birds on the screen as well. So what I should do, I should write another print function here? Probably not. I mean, I could do that and just call the function and it will print just fine. So let's quickly do that. So I'm just gonna, and then just list of bird, and let's just print that. As you can see, it prints, no, I have got an issue here. Printed the whole, so print list, wrong function, come on. Okay, so parrot, bin, crow, and bin chicken. So I've got three different birds here. So, but what's the problem with that? The problem is I'm rewriting code. So in future, if I want to change something on this function over here, I need to go back and change this function as well. Probably I'm actually gonna need that changes over here on the list of bird as well. So the best way to do that is we can import the function from other file. So which we're gonna do from print list, which is this module here, and import print list, the function itself. So the function print list itself. So we will import that, and now just watch what happens when we run this program. We've imported print list and we've just printed list of bird, but notice it also printed the list of animal from other module. We don't want that. We just want to print this set of list, this list over here using the print list function. We don't want it to print any of the animals' name. So how do we prevent that? So this is where the name underscore main module comes in handy. So now if we move that across after the name equals to main module and rerun our all function py, as you can see, it only prints parrot, crow, and bin chicken. So what is happening here? Let me go back to Python interpreter. It's easier to evaluate this that way. And I'm just going to actually, let's quickly run this and stay on this shell, because then it'll make much more sense. Now if I do name, as you can see, you get main on this particular code here. So that means whatever had just finished running has the name is main. So that means this is the main script that has run. This is where the execution began. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the PDB module. If you don't already know what this is, you can watch my video on Python debugger. Now, and what I'll do, I'm just going to put a PDB over here, and let's run this function. Now if you check name over here, because currently we are on this module and print. So that module, the currently running module, is called print list. It's not main, so it's not going to execute this set of code, which we only wanted to run if we ran this script, not the list of bird script where we wanted to just print the list of birds. So as you can see, it lets you run the functionalities in that module only if that current module is executed, not when somebody else or yourself wants to reuse your code on another module. So that is the explanation of this if statement over here. Hopefully that makes sense. As you can see, if I run a script here, this is the main module. If I run a script here, this is the main module. And what I'm doing is I'm running this script, this whole script over here. So the name is not equals to main, therefore these set of code will not be executed. Alright guys, I hope I didn't confuse you anymore on this if statement over there. Hopefully that was useful. Please give your feedback in the comment section, and thanks for watching.